Welcome to the CodaSign Patient Call Installation Guide. These are the requirements for installation. A standard power socket. An Ethernet port, also known as a network socket. If you are replacing an existing system and not changing location, these may already be in place. Find a location for your device. If you use EMIS Web, this can be anywhere in your surgery. We would recommend a comms room or back office. If you use System 1 or Vision, you will need to identify a PC that it can be connected to. The computer will need to be on and logged into the clinical system for the patient call to function. Unpack all components from the box and verify the contents. This includes the patient call hardware, a power cable and a UK plug adapter. If you use System 1 or Vision, you will also receive 2 USB to serial cables and a serial adapter. Take one of the USB to serial cables and connect it to the serial adapter. Repeat the process for the other side as shown here. Finally, ensure all 4 screws are tightened in place. Next, insert one USB end into the side of the patient call. Any USB socket on the side of the patient call can be used. The other end of the cable goes into the designated PC. Insert the power supply into the patient call. Make sure you align the grooves on the power supply with the matching grooves on the socket. The power cable should fit flush to the back of the patient call. Connect the network cable to the socket labeled LAN on the back of the patient call. The clip should be on the underside of the cable. The other end of the cable goes into your network port at the wall. Power the unit on by pressing the power button on the front of the device. This will light up blue when powered on. Installation is now complete. Please contact the NewMed support team to complete the configuration of your system.